This is the second part of the modal verbs. If you haven't watched the first part, the link is given in the description box. But before moving ahead, let's revise what are modal verbs. Modal verbs are helping verbs that are used to express certainty, ability, possibility, willingness, necessity, and obligation. Can, will, shall, may, should are some of the modal verbs. In this video, we will be learning about must, have to, need, ought, dare, and used to, and also the forms of modal verbs. Use of must. To use must in a sentence, first the subject, then must, and then the first form of verb will come. Must shows present condition. Must present condition यानी आज की condition दिखाता है. For example, she must take medicine. You must meet his mother. In both these examples, must is used as a present condition. Must expresses duty. Must हमारी duty या हमारी responsibility को show करता है. For example, the children must obey their parents. Obligation जो हमारा कर्तव्य या हमारा obligation है वहाँ हम must का यूज़ करते हैं. For example, he must look after his parents. Necessity जो चीज़ बहुत ज़रूरी है वहाँ भी हम must का यूज़ करते हैं. For example, you must go to the doctor as you are ill. Compulsion जो चीज़ compulsion या force के थ्रू हमें शो करनी होती है वहाँ भी हम must का यूज़ करते हैं. For example, he must do as I say. Must also expresses prohibition. जब किसी चीज़ की मनाही होती है वहाँ हम must का यूज़ करते हैं. You must not smoke in public places. Advice जब हमें किसी को एडवाइस देनी होती है तब हम must का यूज़ करते हैं. You must see a dentist at once. Determination जब किसी काम को करने के लिए हम determined होते हैं तब हम must का यूज़ करते हैं. For example, we must not go before they come back. Certainty और strong probability जब हमें किसी चीज़ का पूरा विश्वास होता है वहाँ भी हम must का यूज़ करते हैं. For example, he must have left by now. Use of ought to. To use ought to in a sentence, first we will write the subject, then ought to, and then the first form of a verb will come. Ought shows present condition. Ought present यानी आज की condition show करता है. For example, I ought to work hard. Here, ought to shows the present condition. Ought to expresses desire. किसी चीज़ की desire, इच्छा को ought to express करता है. For example, they ought to have more parks in the city. Obligation कोई obligation या कर्तव्य को ought to express करता है. Like, he ought to have paid the fees. Advice जब हम किसी को एडवाइस देते हैं तब भी हम ought to का यूज़ करते हैं. For example, you ought to study for more than 2 hours if you want to clear the exam. Use of need. To use need in a sentence, first we will write the subject, then need, and after that we can complete the sentence. Need is used with any subject. Need को हम किसी भी subject के साथ use कर सकते हैं. For example, you need my help. They need some money. Need expresses necessity. जब किसी चीज़ की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है वहाँ हम need का यूज़ करते हैं. For example, you need my guidance. Obligation. Obligation शो करने के लिए भी हम need का यूज़ करते हैं. The parents need support. Compulsion. जब कोई चीज़ के लिए हमें फोर्स किया जाता है या कंपल्सरी होती है वहाँ भी हम नीड का यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दे नीड टिकट्स टू ट्रैवल बाय ट्रेन. यूज़ ऑफ हैव टू. टू यूज़ हैव टू इन अ सेंटेंस, फर्स्ट वी विल राइट द सब्जेक्ट, देन हैव टू, एंड देन द एंटायर सेंटेंस विल कम. हैव टू इज़ यूज्ड इन द सेंस ऑफ मस्ट. हैव टू सेंटेंस में मस्ट की तरह यूज़ कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव टू रीच देयर बाय 9 PM. इंस्टेड ऑफ मस्ट वी हैव रिटन हैव टू. एडवाइस जब हम किसी को एडवाइस देते हैं वहाँ भी हम हैव टू का यूज़ करते हैं. यू हैव टू स्टार्ट वर्किंग सून. Use of used to. Used to expresses past habits. पुरानी आदतों को शो करने के लिए हम used to का यूज़ करते हैं. For example, I used to go for swimming every morning. Existence of something in the past. जो चीज़ पहले पास्ट में रही हो वहाँ भी हम used to का यूज़ करते हैं. For example, there used to be a big house in that area. Use of dare. Dare expresses courage. Courage यानी बहादुरी शो करने के लिए हम dare का यूज़ करते हैं. For example, he is a daredevil. Interrogative. Interrogative form के लिए भी हम dare का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. For example, how dare you interrupt us? The two forms of modal verbs are negative form and interrogative form. Negative form. We form negative by putting not after the modal verb. Modal verb के बाद not लिखने से negative form बनती है. To write it in the sentence, first we will write the subject, then modal verb, after that not, and then verb will come. For example, I can not swim. Here are few examples of negative form of modal verbs. In all these examples, we can see that first the subject, then the modal verb, after that not, and then verb has come. Go through these examples to understand the negative form of modal verbs in a better way. This is the list of positive and negative form of modals with their contractions. If you are finding our videos helpful, do like, share and subscribe our channel. Interrogative form. To form the interrogative form, first we will write the modal verb, then the subject, and the verb will come after that in the sentence. We form questions by inverting the subject and the modal verbs. हम questions, subject और modal verbs की positions को interchange करके करते हैं. For example, she can swim. To make it interrogative, we will write can she swim? Here are few examples of interrogative form of modal verbs. In all these examples, you can see that first the modal verb, then the subject, and after that verb has come. Go through these examples and understand how we can make an interrogative form. Let's summarize what we have learned till now. Must expresses duty, obligation, necessity, advice, compulsion, prohibition, certainty and determination. Ought to expresses desire, obligation and advice. Need expresses necessity, obligation and compulsion. Dare expresses courage and is used in interrogative form. Have to is used in the sense of must and for giving advice. Used to expresses existence of something in past or past habits. In negative form is made by putting not, and interrogative form by inverting subject and the modal verbs. Let's practice. Choose the correct type or correct form of modal verbs in the following sentences and write the answers in the comment box.